And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, traders and students all around the world. This is FXPassion broadcasting you live on YouTube. And this is Forex Trading Course 101. What are we trying to do here, everybody? We are trying to build the three pillars, and Japanese candlesticks are one of those. We are learning how to build our strategy and our system. Pillar number 2, we are trying to understand and learn how risk management affects our strategy and our system. And the big one, we are trying to learn how our psychology affects our risk management decisions and our decisions about our strategy. What do champion beginner traders say about the psychology part, right? They are saying, I'm not going to live and die on a trade by trade basis. And this is the quote from Mark Douglas, of course, and it's all about psychology, everybody. Oh, I lost, I'm so sad, I lost. It's just one trade. I'm not going to live and die on a trade by trade basis. Oh, yahoo, right? I won. I am not going to live and die on a trade by trade basis. Everybody, it's all psychology in the end. And I have my own quote here on the left. When the market scares you, right? When you lose and you lose and you lose again and you lose one more time and you draw down, don't be afraid to do the right thing. What is the right thing to do? Well, follow your strategy, follow the rules, follow the concepts. Make sense, everybody? And remember, 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide. Hello Zuelius, back again, how are you? And risk disclaimer, everybody, the webinars are not investment or trading advice. The webinars are for educational purposes only. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And for homeworks or questions, you have my Gmail contact and my Skype contact. And you can follow me if you want on TradingView too. Okay, that being said, bearish candlestick formation in a downtrend. So today, everybody, you are going to be the master. Okay, now let's open, everybody, USD/JPY 5-minute chart or 15-minute chart, right? 15-minute chart. Let me see. Let's try to find downtrends, or maybe the 1-hour chart. Let me see. Hello Allah, how are you? Okay, USD/JPY 1-hour chart, everybody. Tell me, talking about the bearish candlestick formations in a downtrend, right? We have a downtrend, so we are going to check most of the currency pairs, right? So it would be something like this. So here is the question. Short, yes or no, everybody? Right now, let's go short. And if the answer is yes, great. What bearish candlestick formation are you seeing? And if you would say no, why not? Okay, USD/JPY 1-hour chart. Should we go short, yes or no? And remember, these webinars are not trading or investment advice, everybody. Should we go short? We're going to check most of the pairs. Downtrend, retracement. Should we go short right now? And remember, everybody, I have a 20 seconds delay on the chat. One more, right? So counter trend line, not the best one, but still not the best one, right? Short, everybody, yes or no? Where is the picture? There you go. Should we short the market? And we are talking just about candlestick formations, everybody, okay? We are not addressing support, resistance, pivot points, just the candlestick formation. Teacher's values, short, yes or no? Teacher Allah, short, yes or no? We have a counter trend and break, everybody. Allah says yes. Okay, what candle do you see, Allah? What candlestick formation do you see? Zwelius and everybody else, what about you? Do you want to short the market? Right now. And as always, remember not to be shy, don't be afraid, everybody, there is no right or wrong. Short, short. What candlestick formation, everybody, is this that you are seeing? We are shorting what? The bearish engulfing candle, tweezer tops, bearish dark cloud cover, bearish evening star, engulfing, broke the counter trend line. Okay, very good. Yes sir, correct. Now let's move on the next one. NZDCAD 15-minute chart. We are not in a downtrend. AUD USD 1 hour chart. Just give it a second. Not in a downtrend. Canada CHF 1 hour chart. Okay, Canada CHF. So this would, oh, this is still up. Just give me a second. Canada CHF. So this would be 1. This would be 2. Something like this, right? What about this one, everybody? Let's short the market right now. Bearish candlestick formations in a downtrend. We are looking at Canada CHF 1 hour chart. Short the market. So the entry was here, right? This was the entry. Short the market right now. What about now, everybody? Remember the rules? The market is going to retest the candlestick formation 80% of the time, so don't freak out, right? Is anybody here? Do you want to short the market? Remember, sometimes, not always, but sometimes the retest is going to offer you a better entry. Make sense? Are we still in a short-term downtrend? Beginner traders, this is for you. If you are going to use candlestick formations as a part of your strategy, you know, and you had a signal, right, and the market is going against you, meaning the market is retracing, it's retesting the candlestick formations. Zuelius says same thing. Do you want to enter, Zuelius, this market? Do you want to go short? Teacher Al and Teacher Zuelius, if you want to short the market right now, where should the stop loss go? Oh no, don't go long, the market is, don't go short, the market is going against you, right? The market is going to retest 80% of the time the candlestick formations. So Teacher Zuelius and Teacher Ala and everybody else, do you want to go short? And if yes, where should the stop loss go? The market is against us. Well, yes and no, because we are still in the short-term downtrend, agreed? Look at the red line, everybody. The market is making lower lows, lower highs. Yes, short. Where should the stop loss go, Zuelius? I mean, where would you put your stop loss? Where would you put the stop loss? Or should we wait, everybody? What should we do? Last confirmed lower high. Okay, let's zoom out the chart. Last confirmed lower high. So, great answer. So last confirmed lower high. So this would be high to low, low to high, high to low. So everybody, Zuelius is going to short the market and his stop loss it's up in here. Make sense? Ala says wait. Okay, everybody, remember there is no right or wrong. Different traders, different strategies, different personality types. Okay. So Zuelius stop loss it's up in here, shorting the market right now. Okay, so next, this is Canada CHF. Let's open a new one. AUD CHF, maybe 1 hour chart. Wow, nice. AUD CHF, 1 hour chart, everybody. Let's move on the 15-minute chart. Just give me a second. Come on, Windows 7. Windows 7, right? So the market broke, right? We were in an uptrend on the AUD CHF 15-minute chart. We were in an uptrend. The market broke the uptrend, and we are here right now. This would be the long-term downtrend line, right? And this is the market. Bearish candlestick formations in a downtrend, right? So this is the downtrend, and high to low, low to high, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension. Okay, so short the market right now, everybody. What do you think? There is no right or wrong. Teacher Zuelius, teacher Ala, let's short the market. Should we wait? Let's see how smart you are, everybody. Should we short the market right now? Teacher Zuelius, this is the same, right? AUD CHF is the same than compared to Canada CHF, right? Teacher Zuelius. Let's short the market. Teacher Ala, what do you say? Of course, no, it's not the same, right? This picture, it's completely different. So what are we waiting for? We are waiting for counter trend line break and of course the bearish candlestick formation. Make sense, everybody? This would be a no-go. We should not enter here. Wait for the counter trend line break if this is part of your strategy. And yesterday we were talking about the homework. Address your strategy if you are going to enter end of extensions. Or end of retracements. Ala says wait, Zuelius wait, okay, very good. Next, AUDCAD, AUDJPY, let's check the chart. Come on, Windows 7, come on. AUD/JPY, it's in an uptrend. AUD/NZD, most likely it's in an uptrend too. Just give it a second, everybody. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. AUD/NZD, it's in an uptrend, so we are looking for a downtrend. Canada/JPY. Let's see, Canada/JPY, 15-minute chart. No. Canada/CHF/JPY, maybe. No downtrends, huh? Today. Not a lot of pairs in a downtrend today. No CHF/JPY, not Euro/AUD. Let's see Euro/AUD on the 15-minute chart. It's slow. Okay, we got one. Euro/AUD 15-minute chart. This is a nice one, everybody. So downtrend, right? Downtrend line. Downtrend line in here. And we learned about the trend lines. Downtrend line in here. You know. And what is the market doing right now? The market is doing, this would be the uptrend line, and this is the market, everybody. This is a nice example for the beginner trader. Short the market right now. Anna says NZDCAD, thank you very much. We're going to check the next one. Teacher, Ala, Tari, SL and everybody else who is online. Short the market right now. Euro/AUD 15-minute chart. If yes, where should the stop loss go? Short the market right now. So the market was making higher highs, higher lows, right? But then, you know, so let's clarify something, everybody. And this is from yesterday, you know, where we are going to lose with candlestick formations is when the short-term trend is going to change. See here, this from yesterday. We are going to lose when the short-term trend is going to change. So what are we seeing here on the Euro/AUD 15-minute chart, everybody? You know, our bearish candlestick formations are, so would be traded here, downtrend, you know, so extension, right? Extension and, you know, extension. Right? So those are the areas. So extension, polyline, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension. Everybody, be careful not to trade bearish candlestick formations still in a downtrend. Be careful not to trade bearish candlestick formations when the retracement comes. Retracement, so, right? Retracement in here. Don't trade bearish candlestick formations in retracement. So green line, it's a no-go, you know, retracement, retracement, retracement. Makes sense, everybody? Smaller one, retracement. 36 question, can we trade mid-term counter trendline break plus bearish candlestick formation or only with long-term? Answer, Tari, it's up to you. There is no right or wrong. Okay, it's a decision. You can trade short-term, mid-term, long-term. Make sense, everybody? It's your choice. It's your decision. There is no right or wrong about that. So here is the question for the beginner trader. At what phase are we here in the quadrant? Are we in a retracement still, or are we starting an extension? How are you and me, how are we going to take advantage of the market? How are we going to take advantage of this market, everybody? We are in a downtrend, yes we are. But if I'm not careful about the retracements, I could be giving back the money to the market. So everybody, tell me one thing, does this make sense to you so in a downtrend, right? In a downtrend, and this is common for the beginner trader, does this make sense to you to make pips and money with bearish candlestick formations in an extension and then give it partially, if not all, partially back into a retracement and work hard and earn back the money and the pips in the next extension, but then give it back to the market in the next retracement? Does this make sense to you? This way, this is a way, this is a style. Does this style of trading make sense to you? I'm going to make pips and money using bearish candlestick formations in an extension, but then I'm going to give it partially back, if not all, in a retracement. And then it's going to become easy because the market is going to push to the next extension and I'm going to earn back the money and the pips, but when the next retracement comes, I'm going to give it back partially. So does this way of trading make sense to you? This is your homework, everybody. You should not trade like this. Make sense? One more time, everybody. Does this way of trading make sense to you? And here is the next question. Should we be buying the retracements? Should we be buying the candlestick formations when the retracement comes? What's the answer? Should we be buying this one? Retracement here, clone, retracement here. Oh my gosh, I've been doing this, right? This is why I'm losing to the market. This is why I have great entries, everybody. As a beginner trader, make no mistakes. As a beginner trader, this is why I have good entries. I can analyze the market fairly good enough, but I'm giving the grand majority of the profits, I'm giving it back to the market. Zueli says, yes, makes sense. Well, it doesn't make sense to me, you know? Everybody, one more time, the question is, does this way of trading Does this make sense to you that you are going to make pips and money in an extension, but then because we don't pay enough attention, we are going to give partially or not all back to the market? So is this an okay way to trade? Allah says no, it's not a downtrend. So, pardon my English, better question, is this an okay way to trade? Making pips and money, losing pips and money, making pips and money, losing pips and money. Is this an okay way to trade? You can say yes, you can say no, you can say, well, I don't know. Makes sense to me, you know. There is no right or wrong. And moving forward, are we in the next extension yet before going short? Are we in the next extension before going short? Is the market making higher highs, higher lows, or is the market making lower lows, lower highs? And then we are going to check NZDCAD. So it's difficult, right? On the 15-minute chart, it's not that easy. Relevant low, quadrants, relevant high, quadrants, relevant low, quadrants, relevant high, quadrants, relevant low, quadrants, relevant high. And we have the first lower low, right? So here is the question: Are we in an extension, so we can prepare ourselves to start selling bearish candlestick formations one more time in a downtrend? Zuri said not okay, and Allah says no. Not yet, right? We don't have a confirmed downtrend yet. But what can we do, everybody, as beginner traders? We can put an alarm. You know, it would be great if the programmers of JForex would put alarms on the trend lines, you know, as the majority of the platform has. You know, we should put an alarm on the trend line, and when the market breaks the trend line, then we would enter. You know. Oh, Passion, but JForex has alarms. I know, but those alarms are about the price levels, not the tools. You know. It would be nice if the programmers of JForex would put or implement alarms on trend lines, you know. Alarms on quadrants, alarms on Fibonacci levels, you know. It would make JForex platform more professional. Even more professional, right? Okay, so NZDCAD, 15-minute chart. Allah says NZDCAD. Windows 7 is struggling, still okay? Okay, NZDCAD. Let's compress the chart, everybody. And let's go on the 1 hour chart. I don't have the read 1 hour chart. Well, uptrend, downtrend. Now, thank you Allah, thank you very much, everybody. You need to pick. Do you see? So let's make a question, everybody. Is the quadrant representing you the same story that the previous trend lines? Meaning, is this quadrant, are we in a downtrend in the quadrant or are we in an uptrend? Everybody? Before selling bearish candlestick formations, you know, we need to address the general view, right? Are we in a downtrend? So is the quadrant the same as the previous trend lines, the green lines? And sure, we can draw another uptrend line somewhere in here. Everybody? This is a difficult one, right? For the beginner trader to understand. Let's make it transparent. So is the quadrant the same? Looks like in a channel, right? So talking about selling bearish candlestick formations in a downtrend, this is where we would lose. You know, the market would break the uptrend line in here, and maybe, just maybe, I would short the market somewhere in here, just maybe, because this is what I'm seeing, right? I would short the market somewhere in here, and because this is the 1 hour chart, what would happen? I would see this, everybody. I would see the market in an uptrend, making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and then I would see the market breaking the uptrend line. Yes? And I would see, oh, the market just broke the uptrend line, so we are in a downtrend. And of course we are, right? Because the market didn't make higher highs, higher lows, but start making lower lows, lower highs. Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So I would most likely short the market in here. And if my stop loss is not in the correct place, I would lose. Because as well as is saying, well, looks like we are in a channel. Everybody makes sense? So thank you, Ala, great example. Now, can we micromanage? Yes, we can, right? So what is the solution to the channel, everybody? The solution is, well, we can draw a downtrend line like this, and we can go on the 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart, and try to take advantage of these candlestick formations from one band to another. Make sense? So if this is something that we are doing, what is your answer, everybody? Short the market right now? And then we're going to finish for today. I need to stretch myself a little bit. We sit too much at the desk, right, Ala? We need to stretch, my friend. We are sitting at the desk too much. Zuelius and Tari, you are young, you know. Me and Ala, we are old guys, you know, the old guys. We need to stretch our back. Zuelius and Tari, you are the young ones, you know. Me and Zuelius, we are the old guys. We need to stretch. We are sitting too much. Hello, Long, how are you? So, Long, Tari, Zuelius and Ala, should we short the market right now? Right now, short the market, short the candlestick formation, bearish candlestick formations in a downtrend. counter trendline break on the candlestick formations in here, counter trendline break on the candlestick formation in here. And remember everybody, these webinars are not trading or investment advice. Short the market. And remember, I have a 20 seconds delay on the chat. So be patient with me once you write something in the chat. Short the market. Sir, I'm 60 years old. I told you, Tari, you are an old guy. I'm sorry, a young guy. I said incorrect. That's I'm telling you, you are still young. We are the young guys, right? So Tari, so you need to stretch too, right? We need to stretch, we are sitting at our desk too much. Back to class everybody. Tari, long, Zuelius and Ala. It's a short. Bearish candlestick formations in a downtrend. Should we short the market right now? There is no right or wrong, but if the bearish candlestick formations are part of your strategy, remember, do we have a counter trendline break? Yes, we do. So, see, the market is going to retest the candlestick formations 80% of the time. So don't freak out, right? Beginner traders mentality. Oh my god, every time that I'm entering the market goes against me. So before we finish today everybody, this is the learning part. Star, the retest of the candlestick formation is giving us a better entry. Okay. Retests are good, everybody. The retest of the candlestick formation is giving us a better entry. Okay. Of course, we are going to enter, you know, if we are going to enter at the wrong place, then the answer would be no, but this is a 5-minute chart. And Zuri says short, Ala says short. Okay, great. Where should the stop loss go? See everybody, the white candle, it's the retest. The market, it's retesting the bearish candlestick formation. Right? See everybody how this works? NZDCAD 5-minute chart. And we are getting scared, right? For nothing most of the time. Make sense? We are getting scared, you know. How many, and it's normal, right? We are not judging anybody, you know, we are all the same. How many beginner traders were scared here to go short? Right? Counter trendline break. Counter trendline break in here. How many beginner traders were scared to go short in here? Because the market made what? Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher lows. Right? So there is a learning curve, everybody. You know? Oh, Passion told me short bearish candlestick formations in a downtrend, and this is an uptrend. on the NZDCAD 5-minute chart. This is not an uptrend, everybody. Remember the lesson here. This is the lesson today. So we are moving forward. This was the lesson yesterday where we are going to lose. Pay attention when the short trend changes. Today we are learning that we are giving, if we are not paying attention to the short-term trend, that we are giving back to the market partially or all of the profits. And here is the beginner trader thinking, oh, I cannot short this because it's in an uptrend. This is not an uptrend, this is a down retracement. Everybody, monitor the market wave. Retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement. Monitor the market wave. It's not that difficult, everybody. Monitor the market wave and monitor the trend line. And you are going to have a fairly good chance to enter great entries. Make sense? We are still going to lose time to time. It's normal, it's part of the game. But if I am constantly monitoring the market wave, extension, retracement, extension, then I have a better chance not to short the market in here, but to take advantage of the market in here. Make sense, everybody? Passion, can you repeat, please? Yes, sir. If we can sustain and monitor the market, if we can monitor constantly the market wave, extension, retracement, extension, then we have a better chance of not giving back the money to the market, because we would stay out, right? See, everybody, what is happening right now? Look at the candle. You know, this was the retest. How many of us beginner traders are freaking out here? Oh my god, the market is going against me, you know. Five-minute chart. Makes sense, everybody? So, starting from Monday, everybody, I'm going to be away for 3 months. Okay? Starting from Monday, I'm going to be away for 3 months. I'm going to be back in 3 months. Okay? Talking about your next level. Today is what? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Next level number 2. If you want consistent results, everybody, learn the mindset and the heart set of the pros. Ask for the Forex course 202. And if you've been around the block for 2, 3, 4 years or more and you are not making it, this course, it's a must. You must come to this course. Why? Well, because bluntly stated, we are not stupid, right? You know, I'm a trader, I'm trying to make consistent results for 5 years, 6 years, and I'm not making it. Well, I'm not stupid, you know. But yeah, I am lacking some specific knowledge. And this knowledge is your next level, everybody. Make sense? If you have a friend, everybody, that is trying to be a professional for 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, and no consistent results, you know, tell him to come to the Forex course 202. You know, it's not our fault, everybody. There is some knowledge that is not being taught in most of the courses. Okay? Did you learn anything today, everybody, about the candlestick formations? How not to lose? What are the dangers? Did you learn anything today?